Hey, what's up, guys? So now I am back at the shop, and I'm so glad that I actually have my EK. Super nice, pretty clean, and got some nice. Although the interior it is missing, so let me show you guys that real quick. Pretty much everything is there, but except for the rear, right? So it's like a Kanjo Zoku going on over here, right? But pretty much the car is good. I mean, you just gotta get it running for sure really soon here. So guys, a few minutes later, I went ahead and took the oil pan out and checked the bottom end of the engine of the car and giving you guys an update real quick here. As you can see, there's the girdle, and there's this, I marked it as a cylinder 4 right here, and this is what we found. That's like melted pretty much. A little chunk of metal piece that's stuck here. And remember, this is a cylinder 4 right here. And then now we're looking at the connecting rods. This is like, wow, look at that. See all the flakes? All coming from the bearings or the connecting rods, or also could have been also the crankshaft too as well. So, but let's go ahead and check on that one. So remember, all cylinders are fine right here, like going from first to third until you get to fourth. It's just game over, right? So let me show you guys what the bottom end looks like, which is our crankshaft. So we got our first right there, first cylinder. It's good, right? Nice and smooth. We have these are good. Second, then you got a third, and then once you get to the fourth, look at that, guys. Look how bad that looks. Can't even shave that. I don't think it's worth the risk. So I don't know, not even worth to taking it to machine shop. Either get in the market for another engine, same exact D16Y7, since I already got all the components for it, to ready swap and get it running, or just replace the crankshaft, even though if I find find a good one, or if someone actually doing a part out on the engine. So hopefully the block itself is still good, also the heads. So I'm not quite sure if that's still going to be good if you have a rod knock already on this one. Comment down below, let me know if that's something that could be, is it worth it for me to salvage it? But for sure the crankshaft is done for, right? I guess when I just have to be in the market for another motor. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I finally got the motor. It's the same motor as a D16Y7. That's it's a non-VTEC. I know it's not like a Y8 or a VTEC or anything like that. I just wanted to make it more reliable for now before I even go thinking about getting into a case swap and everything. Yeah, so finally, it's really hard to find one of these motor lately. So every time they're posted up, they're just gone right away. I don't know, they just rebuild them. I think people just keep buying them, and they just slap them on and sell it. But yeah, so I finally got my my long block for these D16Y7, and this is what we got here, guys. Let's take a look. It's pretty clean. I looked inside, but I still have to look in the bottom end. Yeah, it's just kind of a little bit dirty in this the exhaust side right here. There's like some kind of dirt I got in there, but it doesn't look like it's that any leak or anything like that. So I think that's really good. That's a good sign. And it does look like someone probably replaced the gasket too as well, because I know that's not OEM. Distributor's there. Even got the starter too as well, so that's good. Just the engine just need to be cleaned up, and yeah, I might even, of course, replace the clutch. This is basically a direct swap, and for the price I got, this one was really cheap. Like, I mean, 300 bucks, you can't go wrong, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and keep you guys posted about this motor. Hopefully I can show you some more videos on how I get this thing refreshed up. So happy birthday, ready? Happy birthday to you. Come on, Jenkins. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Noah. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Good job.
Why are you so scared?
Mommy, I'm scared of you. You're not so scared of me. Mommy, I think. Stop. Get down and freeze. Get down, cover your face.
I think Jimmy's face just now.
I know, right? Yeah, booby. Not so Japanese. But if you want to be fully Japanese.
Try this one. This one's small.
We're in the boonies right now. We're in the boonies. Out in the boonies, where we at? What are we gonna be doing, man? What are we gonna be doing?
Picking up a
We got the
prelude.
Oh man, dude, this
Taking
guy's
it back.
actually taking something back, man. Yeah, he's trying to get back to it. It's like, well, how long has it been?
Shit, been almost 20 years.
20 years,
Out the game.
bro. Out the game. Mr. Honda guy over here. So it's gonna be sick. Yeah, we're out here in the boonies. Can't tell you it's like all the way up in Yelm, but as you can see, there's nothing around us but like trailers and some barns, some cows, some
Redneck shit.
places. We gotta check out this place. Dude, post it up on Facebook Market, and hopefully it'll be a good pickup. But we don't know yet. We can't just keep our hopes up on that, but check it out. Give us some good luck here, and hopefully we can make a deal. And the car's gonna need some work. The way I looked at it, it's gonna need some parts, missing parts and stuff here and there, but it's nothing too biggie. The more thing I'm more concerned about if it has any dings in it, like basically got a car accident, obvious things like any wears, like, you know, frame is not straight or anything like that, rust and all that shit, and that could be a deal breaker. But you know, right now, as far as I see on the picture, but looks could be deceiving on the picture. So, but like I said, we're gonna get into details on that. So hopefully, I can video if they let me video the car and document it too as well. So yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Yep, that car is going in here and ready to get. It's about that time to get this car. Give him some love. I guess Frank James is gonna go ahead and store it in my place, and while he works on it. So, and that's gonna be it. And this she'll have a new home. Hopefully we get it done. Well, she'll get a new home and just put some TLC on this car. So hopefully we'll see what James will have to do with this. What's his plan with the car? So definitely looking forward. You excited, James? You excited, bro?
Yeah.
You excited?
Hell yeah.
Get your
Age 22 to K swap, baby.
time to put some TLC, little TLC in this car, man.
Little TLC.
Body straight though, it's good. You know, so we get it done. Yeah.
Here's this one. There you go.
Where we at?
They need new engine mounts, man.
I do? Damn.
The engine's
Oh, yeah,
twerking.
that's right. A snap. Good thing I went to Advanced AutoZone. I mean, Advanced AutoZone. Advanced Auto, man.
Hey,
You
your
got
motor,
everything.
Your motor's twerking,
Hey, just what you do, just shake and shake it, see if it'll just drop.
right?
Straight down, dude. All right, guys, ready to go. We got the jack going here. We just got to put the top and take the shit out. And let's do this. Got his Gen 5. Gen 5 BB6.
H22 A4.
So anyways, got my EK right here. Working on that. As you can see, the suspension are off. We're going B series. We're staying real. We're staying true to the game. This is the new engine right here. Oh yeah, the older engine is over here too as well. That was on that car. It's right there. So I kind of stripped it out already. Did the manifold side, exhaust side, and there's a couple of parts I need to take from here, and it should be good. Got all the parts right here. This is an old intake manifold from a Y7. So we're gonna put the Y8 intake manifold in this one. So it's a little upgrade for now, and it's not something like, you know, it's not like I'm trying to gain a lot of horsepower on this one. We're just a little bit of horsepower, I guess, by putting that little intake manifold. So the Y8 manifold, switching, converting to that Y8 manifold. So we got new idler pulley, we got new belt, we got new water pump. Ooh, you can see that, as you know, there's ASIN, there you go. And what else we got here? Well, we're getting new valve, basically gasket, valve cover gaskets. We got the new NGKs, wire, spark plug wires, and we got new spark plugs too as well. And we are using the old exhaust manifold too. As you can see, cleaned up the whole thing. I cleaned up the the block itself too as well. So you can see it's super clean. Probably needs to brush it up a little bit with some little, I don't know, because I put the chemical that I put in here. Let me show you guys what I got. It is this one right here. So I grabbed this from the local parts store. It's called Superior Products. It's called the Aluminum Brightener by Superior Products. So, and look at that, dude. As you can see, this is, I don't know if any of you guys can guess, the reason why we're swapping that motor is because with that right there, those are metal flakes. It had a rod knock, so guys, that's why we have to replace it. But so here we are. But it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna look a lot better, so in the long run. So, but that for now, swap this in. Got the engine harness already on there, so we're almost ready. It's probably about like halfway to go, and it should be quick. It takes like one day once I have time to do it. Lenny's in action today. Still got the daylight, as you can see. I'm the news reporter here. What are we doing, Lenny?
Trying to fix the brakes
Okay.
because they're not wearing evenly and they drag, so it sounds like something's dragging on the brake disc when we're going on the road.
So what's that? Is that a flying saucer?
Yeah, that's a
UFO? What's this little dots right here? That's supposed to be lighting up and stuff?
yeah.
When you spin? Oh. It's got neon thing on it, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that red stuff right there? That looks like a... Did you paint that with the lipstick?
No, that was what's it called?
What are you talking about?
Yeah. So I think this one you may have to take out the whole thing, buddy. This is... So how do we do, Lenny? How do we do? You got it? You think it's fixed? What do you think?
Yeah, probably.
I have a faith in this guy. This guy. This is the guy right here.
This guy.
So what's up? You have faith, Annie?
I have
Huh?
faith.
Yeah.
I do.
Could be it. This should be a problem solved right there. It's kind of getting dark.
Yeah.
We got this, guy. All right, let's
Are
go.
the keys inside?
Yeah, keys are by your...
Oh, guys, by the way, that's Annie.
Hello.
No, it's it. I know what it was. Right when I got in the car, I was like, I know that's the problem. Off we go. Silent as she can be.